No, that's a bad idea. Let me get out of your way.
See the flag raising at Iwo Jima.
Suribachi is ours.
Do it that way, we can do it like this. Whoop. Feel like a disaster just waiting to happen.
You're kind of in a tight spot there.
We may use this depending on, well, we'll talk about it in a minute. I'm looking for
Level.
yeah. It's only bright orange. You think I'd be able to find it easy? Can you put some dirt in it, or?
Yeah.
Wait a second. The thing's moved now. I gotta get her back to good. Go ahead and throw a little bit of dirt in it anyway. It's too wobbly. Get the backside. Get the backside.
Okay.
You can't just do it the one way.
I know.
I don't want to get short with you like last time. I felt so guilty.
Well, at least you felt guilty. Some people don't care. You know?
Yep. Throw some, yeah, in the back. Throw some in the back. There you go. That's been our problem.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's good enough, I guess. Let me show you how it's done. You ready?
Watch. Go ahead.
Watch out and get knocked in the head like I did the other day.
Okay, I'll get the camera back.
This one might be turned a little sideways, but I think it'd be okay. You see it there? You see it?
Yep, I see it.
Right. Over here on this side as well. And then we'll tap it down in there. As long as it's in between them lines, that's what matters. See it there?
Yep.
All right. I'm use my fancy tapper since I don't have to use a shovel anymore.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's worth what I paid for it, but the shovel worked pretty good.
Prices just went up on everything.
Right now, gas prices in Virginia are averaging $4.15 a gallon. Before the conflict in Iran, it was just $2.90, and that's a jump of more than $1 in just a few months.
Moody's Analytics says if oil stays at its current level for 1 year, the typical household will pay an extra $1,400 in gas and diesel costs.
So from groceries to takeout, ABC 13's Charlie Vicario is live for us tonight after speaking to local folks about these cost concerns.
Higher fuel costs are affecting everything from how food is delivered to how much you're paying once it reaches your plate. It's been the topic for weeks.
It's affecting the economy, it's affecting households, and it's putting a big burden on the citizens.
The increase in gas prices, but now they're starting to show up far beyond the pump, and it's at your dinner table.
That's how inflation transmission works.
As gas prices rise, it costs more to transport food. Those higher delivery costs can trickle down to grocery stores and restaurants.
Sorry, I don't mean to put my back to the camera, but sometimes you have to. Right before I lay the hammer down to it here, let me check and make sure. 'Cause after I do this, it'd be hard to change it.
After you tap it in.
Same concept as that hammer handle, though.
Yeah.
I do like this a little bit better because it's smaller there. The impact is smaller than on a shovel handle.
Yeah. You can get in there.
Get in there real good with it. Although I do wish I had my rock bar. I really like that thing. It's really handy here in Appalachia to have a rock bar.
Yeah.
Can't find it. Which, you know, that's alright. So I was like, well, I'll just go to the store and buy me an oven. Right.
Yeah.
Get to the store and guess what?
They don't have one like
They're
that.
all sold out. And all they had was that one rock bar. And I had to get this done. So guess what I did?
You bought it.
Yep. Which in my opinion, it was outrageously too high. But I bought it anyway. Because I know you got to have it. You know?
But don't get me started on the prices.
Well, I'm just saying, like, I just don't see how something like that's worth $80. Do you guys? Do you guys see how this piece of metal here is worth $80? I don't know. Maybe I got that 90s mentality still yet. Where, like, stuff shouldn't be outrageous.
They've gotten ridiculous.
Well, that one's set. Sadly, I believe it's a little bit cockeyed, but I don't think it really matters. If we were building a house, it would matter, but it's just a chicken lot.
Yeah.
I don't think the chickens are going to complain.
No, they're going to be happy.
So, all right. I guess you can cut it there. We'll see you guys next time. God bless you all. Just set it over here. Set it over here next to the hole and set it on something. Just record the dirt going down. Wouldn't that be good?
Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Here, I'll show you. Just make sure you understand. We're doing a close-up of you pushing the dirt in the hole.
Okay.
Find something over here. Action's going right here. Right?
Is it moving?
Well, come over here and mess with it, and I'll act like I'm doing it.
Oh, it's still going.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yep.
Well, we're going to have to cut a bunch of that out now.